Hi, it's Larissa with Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum, and I'm excited to tell you guys about some more events that we have coming up. The OESD event that we have coming up is going to be in the Event Center. It's in October. You can come on the 6th and the 7th or the 8th and the 9th. It's a 2-day hands-on event, and we're going to provide kits, lunch, machines, everything that you need, and it's going to be a blast. I got to see a lot of you guys at our OESD lecture demo event, and I know if you are anything like me, you learned a ton about embroidery. And the cool thing about this event that we have coming up is you're going to take all the stuff that you learned about embroidery and you're going to put it into action, and you're going to get to actually make 6 projects. So if you did not get a chance to make it to our lecture demo event, you are more than welcome to join us, because you're still going to learn lots of tips and tricks, but you're going to actually get to put those tips and tricks into motion, which is even more special because you'll learn a lot. So we're going to provide everything that you need, and it's only $149 for the event, and we're going to use Brother Stellaire's, so that's very exciting. And then if you have any questions, you can call any one of our locations. They'll help you sign up for the event, or you can go to our Rocky Mountain Sewing website and you can sign up there. Love to see you there. Bye-bye.